Welcome to my channel. Today we will show you a super fast technique to solve quadratic equations. Here we have a quadratic equation that is 5x power 2 plus 13x plus 8 equal to 0. This 13x is nothing but sum of the roots. So here sum of the roots is 13. 5 and 8, these two are product of the roots. So product of the roots is 8 times 5, which is 40. That means when you add the roots, you need to get 13. When you multiply the roots, you need to get 40. 5 plus 8, which gives 13, and 5 times 8, which gives 40. 5x raised to the power of 2 plus 5x plus 8x plus 8 equal to 0. And then you have to take it 5x as common. So then you are left only x plus 1. From here you have to take it 8 as common. Then you left with x plus 1, that is equal to 0. So our roots are x equal to minus 1 and another root is x equal to minus 8 over 5. This is the traditional way to find the roots of this quadratic equation. But here I am going to show you a super fast technique to solve this quadratic equations. Our equation is 5x raised to the power of 2 plus 13x plus 8 equal to 0. 13 is our sum of the roots and 5 times 8 is our product of the roots. The trick is, so you have to just do only 3 steps. Step 1. First split this middle number. How can you split? When you add two numbers, you need to get 13. When you multiply two numbers, you need to get 40. Isn't it? So just take 5 and 8. This is our first step. You need to split the number. The second step is, here 5 is nothing but plus and here 8 is nothing but plus 8. Isn't it? So our second step is, just change the signs of these two numbers. Here we have plus 5. You need to change minus 5, minus 5. And here we have plus 8. So change to minus 8. And the third step is, divide this minus 5 with x square coefficient. X power 2, the coefficient is 5. So we need to divide with 5. So after cancelling, you will get minus 1 and minus 8 over 5. Let's try one more example. 6x power 2 plus 7x minus 5 equal to 0. What is our first step? Split. So here we have 7. That means sum of the roots is 7. And product of the roots is 6 minus 5, which gives minus 30. That means if you take 10 minus 3, which gives 7. And 10 times minus 3, which gives minus 30. Isn't it? So we have to split this 7 as 10 minus 3. Our first step is done. Our second step is, change the signs. For this 10 we have plus sign, so we need to change as negative sign. For 3 we have negative sign, so we need to change as positive sign. The third step is, this minus 10 and 3 you have to divide with your x square coefficient, which we have 6. So 2 times 3, 2 times 5. The first root is minus 5 over 3. And this is 3 times 1, 3 times 2. And second root we have 1 over 2. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation. Easy peasy, isn't it? Let's take one more example. 8x power 2 plus 18x minus 5 equal to 0. First step is split. Sum of the roots is 18. Product of the roots is minus 40. So you have to take 20 minus 2, which gives 18. 20 times minus 2, which gives minus 40. So let's take 20 minus 2. So our first step is done. The second step is, change the signs. For 20 we have plus, you need to change as minus. For 2 we have negative sign, you need to change as positive sign. The third step is, divide by the x square coefficient, which is 8. So the roots are minus 5 over 2 and 1 over 4. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation. That's it. Just remember one thing. This trick works only for quadratic equation with rational roots. And it does not apply for non-rational roots. Let's try one more. If we have a quadratic equation like 21x raised to the power of 2 plus 53x minus 88 equal to 0. So according to our trick. So what is our first step? Split. So split this number. So here sum of the roots is, suppose if you consider a and b are roots, so sum of the roots is 53 and product of the roots is 21 times minus 88. So here we have very large numbers. How can you find here? First find the prime factors of 21. 21 prime factors are 3 times 7. 88 prime factors are 2 times 44, which use 88, and then 2 times 22 is 44, and again we have 2 times 11. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 11 is 88. That means we have 3 times 7 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 11. So if you take 7 times 11, which is 77, and then take 3 times 2, which is 6, 6 times 2, 12, 12 times 2, 24. 77 minus 24, let's try this. So which is equal to 53. So when you multiply these all, you will get the same product. This 21 times 88. So that's why let's take these two numbers. So plus 77 minus 24. Now second step is change the signs. For the 77 we have plus. We need to change this plus as minus 77, and this minus 24 we need to change as plus 24. And the third step is this minus 77 you have to divide with x power 2 quotient. We have 21. So 21, and here also we have here 24 divided by 21. 7 times 11, 7 times 3. So our first root is minus 11 over 3. 3 times 7, and this is 3 times 8. This is 8 over 3. So these are our roots of this quadratic equation. Like that, using this trick, we can find the roots of this quadratic equation. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more math tutorials and tricks.